Updating your credit card information on Zocdoc is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Zocdoc website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the credit card you wish to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled payment information or billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update your credit card details. Find the section that displays your existing credit card information. There should be an option to edit or update your card details. Enter the new credit card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, make sure to save the changes. Look for Save or Update button and click it to ensure your new payment method is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Zocdoc. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure a smooth experience when booking appointments.